Okay, so I've owned this car for 2 years, and there's some things I don't like about it, so I'm sharing this with you today. Okay, let's start with something small but annoying. On the LCI model, there is no keyhole for the trunk, and this means when you run out of battery, you cannot open the trunk. It happened to me once where my jump pack was in the trunk and I ran out of battery, so I had to crawl all the way back through the middle seat. Not a great experience. Okay, so this one is a bit worse. This is a footwell module. Controls pretty much every light in your car. And when there's humidity, this thing will fry. And then 1 or 2 lights will stop working and you need to either replace it or reprogram it. Okay, this one could be my fault, absolutely. But I keep burning ignition coils. I don't know why, but I've changed spark plugs, ignition coils. I've checked everything, the gap, the voltage. They keep burning. I don't know why. I'm not a good mechanic, I know that. Okay, I swear this is the last time I'm complaining, but it's a BMW, so it leaks oil. Of course, the N52 is reliable and everything, but it's still a BMW engine. It still leaks oil. Mine leaks at the oil filter housing. If you want a BMW, it will leak. I could change them, but I'm lazy.